Hi guys, thanks for joining the session. Good morning all. Welcome back to my channel. So up to now we have seen how to change the permissions for files and directories. To continuation of that, how to change the ownership and group of the file and directory. So using chgrp and chmod, we can change that owner and group of the file. And here are the couple of commands. Let's play with these commands. So how to change the owner and how to change the group with that options and how to change that owner or group for the particular file and particular directory. So let's play with all these commands. Let's switch to this command line here. ls space -lrt, we can come to know what are the files and directory. This part we already discussed how to change the permissions. This is for blocks of that file and directory, and this is for time and date and month. This is the file or directory name. Now we need to play with this actually. See here, Venkat is the owner of this file and Venkat is the group of this file. Now I want to change, instead of Venkat, I need to change for the root. So how we can change it? So please make sure before going to change any owner and any group, those owner name and group name should be available in this server actually. That's what we discussed in that administration, how to create the user and how to create the group. User is nothing but owner here. Now chown is the command which we can use to, you have to provide here owner name. Okay, then you have to provide the group name. So then after that you should have to provide the file or directory. This is how the syntax should be. Okay, so the chown means change owner. This will be changed for owner and group. Both we can change by using the chown. And one more syntax, chgrp. So we can give that here group name. Then we have to provide for the file or directory name. Okay, so these are the syntax for two commands actually. Now first play with that chown. So chown, I want to change for, instead of Venkat, I need to change for the root. Then I did not give that group name. So I'm going to give the permissions. Now see ls space -lrt. See here. So it will be changed for both actually. So if you can put, chown space anything, if you can put, automatically it will change it. ls space -lrt. See here it will be. So now one more command, chown, you can put it for Venkat, then it's ls space -lrt. See here. So if you can put colon, it will change for both. If you can put for, this command will change for only owner. Okay, if you want to change for owner and group, it will change it. Let's play that. So the first thing should be chown space, I want to change for owner Venkat. So this directory I'm going to change it now. Okay, test it. So if you can give only the tested directory of the owner should be changed. See here, it will change for only here. So if you want to change for both owner and group, chown space, you have to give Venkat colon Venkat. Okay, then after that you have to provide this rel9 file I am giving. So here if you want to give for -v, you can come to actually. See here, change the ownership of rel9 from Ubuntu to Venkat to Venkat. -v here means it will give the verbose. Okay, so chown, which we can use to change only owner, which we can use to change for only group and owner, both actually. Okay. chown again you can give for, group we can write once Venkat, and we have to provide for the test file. Let's see ls space -lrt. Let's see the test file. See here, it will change for group also separately. So that means here two things you need to do it. Owner we can change it one time, and if you want to change for single, we can group also we can change it. So here we can use chown space colon, the group name we can use it, then file or directory we have to give. Okay, and second thing is we can change for owner and group together, we can change it. Okay, so for this what we can do, chown space, you have to provide the owner, then you have to provide the group name, then we have to provide the file or directory name. Okay, so if you want to provide for only owner name means chown only you have to provide that owner name. Then after that you have to give the file name or directory name. So this is where we can change for owner and group by using the chown command only. But how the chgrp should work? Chgrp will be used for only changing the group. Actually, let's see, I can play for Venkat. So here you can give for directory 1. So before going to execute this, you can go to the directory 1. Group is root, owner is root actually. Now if you can perform this command, so the group should be changed to root to Venkat. Now if you can see, enter. Now ls space -lrt directory 1, you can check. See here, earlier it was the root, now it will change it to the Venkat. So here you can execute with that options also. -c if you can put change. So instead of directory 1, you can put for the directory 2. If you can go to here, directory 2 should be has owner has the root, sorry, group has the root and owner also has the root. Now I am going to change it to the owner. Let's see it. Enter. Now see here, change the group of directory 2 from root to Venkat. ls space -lrt. Directory 2 owner should be changed. Okay, so like this, if you want to change for multiple, see chgrp-v, then you can give for the Venkat, then after that you can provide the permission. So I'm going to change that permission file owner from root to Venkat. Now if you can enter, see here, change the group of the permission file from root to Venkat. Now ls space -lrt. See here. So suppose example chgrp. Now if you can try root:root. Okay, I'm playing now. So you can give the permission. Now if you can enter ls space -lrt. See here. So chgrp should not be changed for owner and group. It will be changing for only group. Now if you can see here, suppose if you want to change for only group, this is the different syntax. If you can enter, see this is also invalid. So that means you have to change only group by using like this ls space -lrt. See here. So you cannot able to change the owner by using the chgrp. It will be changed for only group. So that is where you have to use chgrp, then -c, which is that change. You have to give the group name. Okay, then file or directory. So like this, you can go to here again. You can use same thing for verbose also. So that means you need to know chgrp will be changed for only group names. It should not be changed for the owner names. But chown will, which we can use to change for owner and group. We can change owner separately, group separately, even we can change both together. Okay, so why we need to change this? We can able to do the security things actually. Okay, so this is about chmod and chgrp. Thanks for watching. If any doubts, could you please comment in my channel? Please do subscribe and please do the like and share it. Thanks for watching.